Hello, I'm Dr. Sindhu, one of treating doctor here today. May I confirm your good name and age, please? Nice to meet you, Mrs. Nusrat. May I know what brings you here today? Okay. Anything else? I'm really sorry to hear about it, Mrs. Nusrat, and I appreciate that you are concerned about your health. Before I come to the management part, I would ask you a few questions to better understand your condition. Is it okay with you? Thanks for your cooperation, Mrs. Nusrat. Can you tell me since how long you are suffering from this condition? Okay. And since long you have been abdominal pain? If there is any bloating? Have you noticed any change in bowel habit, diarrhea, or constipation? And can you tell me, do you have to strain while passing the stool? Okay. Is there any change in bowel habit frequently? Okay. Any urgency to pass the stool? Any tummy pain which is released by passing the stool? Any history of incomplete evacuation? Have you noticed pain or discomfort in tummy? Okay. And any symptoms made worse by eating? Okay. Any passing of mucus? Have you noticed any blood in the stool? History of weight loss? Any fever? Diarrhea at night time? Okay. Fever in the night time with sweating? Okay. Okay. Can you tell me if any immediate family member suffering from the same condition? Okay. Have you noticed any deterioration of your symptoms on taking wheat? Okay. Any discharge from front passage? Okay. If you're married? Do you have kids? If your periods are regular? Okay. Mrs. Nusrat, can you tell me what kind of weather you like most? Okay, comfortable in both hot and cold weather? Okay. Mrs. Nusrat, can you tell me, do you have high blood pressure? High blood sugars? If you are taking any medicine over the counter or prescribed by doctor? Okay. Okay. Do you have allergies to specific food or drugs? Okay. Okay, Mrs. Nusrat, to better understand your condition, I would like to examine you. Is it okay with you? Please come on the couch, and then I'll sanitize my hands and start general physical examination and check the eyes and for anemia, jaundice, and I'll check the neck from front, and I'll have a glance on the face of the patient if there is any puffiness or periorbital edema, and then I'll check the pulse, nails, and palm of the hands for pulmonary edema, and then I will look and examine the abdomen. Okay, Mrs. Nusrat, I'll examine your abdomen. Okay, if you feel pain, let me know. I'll stop then. Okay, then I'll look for any scars, any asymmetry, any distension, and then I'll examine the patient's abdomen. and then I will ask the patient if she feels pain, and while examining the abdomen, I'll be looking at her face for facial expressions if she feels pain, and then I will percuss for the blotting, and then I'll check the shins for edema. And thanks for your cooperation, Mrs. Nusrat. You can come on the chair, and then again I'll sanitize my hands. Okay, so Mrs. Nusrat, can you tell me if you have been through an investigation so far for your condition? Okay. Okay, Mr. Nusrat, so I'll order a few invested labs. Okay, is it okay with you? Okay, and so here is a stool sample. Okay, and thyroid function test. Okay, is everything clear till now? And CBC. Okay. And let me reassure you, Mrs. Nusrat, that what I have gathered from discussing with you is that your gut is functioning at more speed than real, and this speed of gut is disturbing you. Actually, this is a mind-gut disease which is affected by stress and life. Okay, so you know, your examination I have performed is, that I came to the conclusion that you are suffering from the condition what we call in medical terminology is irritable bowel syndrome. Okay, but you, as you mentioned, you have diarrhea. So actually irritable bowel syndrome is diarrhea predominant and constipation predominant. So you have diarrhea predominant kind of irritable bowel syndrome. Okay. So I'll offer you written information in the form of leaflet which will help you understand your condition. Okay, and I'll encourage you to relax. Okay, it's my important advice to you. Just relax. Okay, reduce stress in life and take life easy and take time out for leisure activities, hobbies, spend time with friends and family. And listen to the relaxation and tests, meditation or yoga. Okay, and don't feel pressed by time. Okay, and do everything which makes you happy. Okay, don't feel sad. Okay, and do regular exercise, take regular meal, avoid missing meal or leaving long gaps between meal. Okay, and I'll encourage you to drink less than 8 cups of fluids per day and restrict coffee to 2 cups per day. Okay, and decrease fizzy drinks. Okay, and limit fresh fruits to 3 times, not more than 80 grams at a time. Okay, and I'll encourage you to identify foods that provoke symptoms like dairy products, citrus fruits, coffee, alcohol, tomatoes, gluten, and eggs. Okay, and I'll recommend you to include these things in your diet, like oranges, carrots, cucumber, whole grain wheat, whole grain pasta. Okay, and apricot. Okay, and is everything clear till now? And for your diarrhea, I'm recommending, I'm prescribing you tablet loperamide. Okay, is everything clear till now? Okay, and for your tummy pain, I'm prescribing a peppermint oil. Okay, you can take it. Okay, it is effective. Okay, and as for your depression, I'm prescribing you low dose amitriptyline. Okay, 10 mg. You have to take it after meal in the evening. Okay, 7 or 8 p.m. Okay, is everything clear till now? Okay, and sometimes effective, talking therapy, hypnosis may be, needed. Okay, is everything clear till now? Should I repeat it again for you? Okay, Mrs. Nusrat, I wish you a speedy recovery. Okay, take good care of yourself. Bye bye.